11. A roof rack is dash top of the car. 12. The road is dash the car. 13. A river flows dash the bridge. 14. A man is standing dash the car. 15. There is nobody else dash the car. 16. He climbs dash the stairs. 17. I stayed dash Bhopal dash 3 months. 18. I stayed there from May dash July. 19. The sun shines dash the day. 20. We waited dash midnight.
Meanings for the given sentences. 11. A roof rack is on top of the car. कार की छत पर एक roof rack है. 12. The road is under the car. कार के नीचे सड़क है. A river flows below the bridge. पुल के नीचे एक नदी बहती है. A man is standing by beside the car. एक आदमी कार के पास बगल में खड़ा है. There is nobody else in front of or behind the car. कार के सामने या पीछे कोई और नहीं है. 6. He climbs up down the stairs. वह सीढ़ियां चढ़ता उतरता है. I stayed in Bhopal for 3 months. मैं 3 महीने के लिए भोपाल में रहा. I stayed there from May till July. मैं मई से जुलाई तक वहां रहा. 9. The sun shines during the day. दिन के दौरान सूरज चमकता है. We waited till midnight. हम आधी रात तक इंतजार करते रहे. Under, Hindi meaning, के नीचे के अधीन. This preposition is used to indicate that something is in a lower position relative to another thing, or it is covered by something. Examples in Hindi. 1. The road is under the car. Car के नीचे सड़क है. The road is in a lower position relative to the car. 2. The cat is hiding under the table. बिल्ली मेज के नीचे छुपी हुई है. The cat is in a lower position and covered by the table. 3. He is sitting under the tree. वह पेड़ के नीचे बैठा है. He is sitting in a lower position relative to the tree. In summary, under in Hindi can be translated as ke niche, and it denotes a position lower than or covered by something else. In Hindi. On, Hindi meaning par ke upar. Usage, this preposition is used to indicate that something is in contact with and supported by a surface, or something is attached to a surface. Examples in Hindi. 1. A roof rack is on top of the car. Car ki chat par ek roof rack hai. The roof rack is in contact with and supported by the top surface of the car. The book is on the table. Kitab mej par hai. The book is in contact with and supported by the surface of the table. There is a picture on the wall. Deebar par ek tasveer hai. The picture is attached to the surface of the wall. In summary, on in Hindi can be translated as par or ke upar, and it denotes a position where something is in contact with and supported by a surface or attached to it. Meaning and usage of the preposition below in Hindi. Hash, below, Hindi meaning, ke niche. Usage. This preposition is used to indicate that something is at a lower level or position compared to another thing, but not necessarily directly under it. Examples in Hindi. 1. A river flows below the bridge. Pool ke niche ek nadi behti hai. The river is at a lower level compared to the bridge. 2. The temperature is below freezing. Tapman jamav bindu se niche hai. The temperature is at a lower level than the freezing point. 3. The basement is below the ground floor. Tehkhana ground floor ke niche hai. The basement is at a lower level compared to the ground floor. In summary, below in Hindi can be translated as ke niche, and it denotes a position at a lower level compared to another thing, but not necessarily directly under it. Beside in Hindi. Beside, Hindi meaning, ke bagal mein, ke paas. Usage. This preposition is used to indicate that something is next to or at the side of another thing. Examples in Hindi. 1. A man is standing beside the car. Ek aadmi car ke bagal mein khada hai. The man is next to or at the side of the car. 2. She sat beside her friend. Wah apni dost ke paas baiti. She sat next to her friend. 3. The lamp is beside the bed. Lamp bistar ke paas hai. The lamp is next to or at the side of the bed. In summary, beside in Hindi can be translated as ke bagal mein or ke paas, and it denotes a position next to or at the side of something else. Here is the meaning and usage of the preposition during in Hindi. During. Hindi meaning, ke dauran, ke samay. Usage. This preposition is used to indicate that something happens within the time period of a particular event or activity. Examples in Hindi. 1. The sun shines during the day. Din ke dauran suraj chamkta hai. The sun shines within the time period of the day. 2. I read a book during the flight. Maine udan ke dauran ek kitab padhi. I read a book within the time period of the flight. 3. He fell asleep during the movie. Wah film ke dauran so gaya. He fell asleep within the time period of the movie. In summary, during in Hindi can be translated as ke dauran or ke samay, and it denotes that something occurs within the time period of a specific event or activity.